Hello there, kids! We are back for our English class. This time, let's study the difference between the words through and thorough.
English language comprises certain sets of words which are confusing to use. Through and thorough are two such words which are spelled and pronounced in almost the same manner. This similarly tends to puzzle a lot of people, as a result of which these two words are interchangeably used by many.
In spite of the narrow similarities, the two words are highly unlike each other. The word through is used to indicate the result of an action or an event. For example, the firm lost the customer through the delays in supplies.
Through can also be used to point out the use of a mediator in order to achieve something. Like in the sentence, I met my husband through my cousin.
Now that you have learned the use of through, let us talk about the use of thorough this time. Thorough refers to going over something in dealing or showing immense attention paid to a task. For example, he thoroughly went over the entire syllabus and the doctor made a thorough examination.
The words through and thorough tend to provide further detail to the subject of a sentence. This happens by giving an in-depth detail to its action.
The entire sentence and its meaning can change with a slight interchange of alphabets, resulting in a chaos both for the writer and the reader.
An understanding of the two shall prevent us from making trivial mistakes, which can change the perception of the reader.
Well, that's it for our lesson today, everybody. We'll see you again next time.